Sharing my new plants I got. Well, my daughter got them for me for Mother's Day. Some Mother's Day gift from my daughter. I'm sharing with you guys. I finally got me some mint, sweet mint, and peppermint mint. I'm going to transplant these plants a little later on, sometime today. And I have some lemon thyme. It smells so dang good. I love it. And this plant, I forgot the name. I'm going to have to put it in the description when I find out. This is beautiful. I'm going to transplant it. All of them I'm going to transplant. And this is a polka dot plant. Hopefully hopefully I can grow it. And this one was $1.49. The rest of them was 4 for $10 or something. Anyway, just sharing that information. And this is another rosemary plant because I have to experiment with rosemary a little bit more. I have to still keep doing research on how to reach these plants' needs for my own trial and error. I don't want to watch really too many. Well, I don't really want to watch videos to show me how to do it. I just want to wet my feet with y'all gardening videos, so to speak. But what I really want to do is just find out on my own so I can understand what it is I'm doing. Like, I have the understanding of what is propagation and a couple of other things that I'm not thinking too well this morning because it's in the morning while I'm doing this. But anyway, I'll be back. I guess I'm just gonna I'll be back when I transplant these plants in my homemade plant containers until I can get to the store. Okay people, I just want to share with you some herb plants, succulent, and a polka dot plant that I got. New plants. This one here is a Kalanchoe, mother of 1,000, succulent plant right here. See all the little plantlets on it? It's very beautiful. I like the color of it. Pinkish burgundy. This succulent likes well drained soil. It's prolific. It will choke out other plants. Highly productive plant. And I'm going to try and transplant. I'm going to transplant all of these plants. First, I'm just going to put them in my homemade plastic bottle containers till I get some new planters. Video cut off. And I also have two types of mint. I have a sweet mint and I have a peppermint. They smell really good. I also got another rosemary, hello rosemary, and this is the polka dot plant. I'm going to try and grow it. Probably have terrible luck with these kind of plants. And I have a lemon thyme. It smells so, it smells really good. It smells like lemon. And I like that, and I like the mint. So I'm going to transplant all of these plants and try and get them to growing with this mother of 1,000. This Kalanchoe plant, mother of 1,000. I am gonna I will be back when I transplant these plants and share a little information, if I can, about some of them anyway. I'm glad I got another rosemary because I accidentally. Okay, I finished transplanting the peppermint, lemon thyme, polka dot plant, sweet peppermint, Kalanchoe, I probably messed up that word, mother of a thousand pink butterflies, rosemary, and another, I got another mother of a thousand pink butterflies out of this Kalanchoe. I messed up the word, but I'll put it in the description box so I can have data of what I am doing and sharing with you guys. This plant, like I said earlier, if this will choke out other plants, this mother of a thousand is prolific. You know, the rosemary, great herb. Can't wait for this to get bigger, and I'm gonna try and propagate this. I'm gonna try and propagate all of these new plants that I have: mint, lemon thyme, sweet mint, and the polka dot plant. All of these plants, when they get bigger, I'm going to try and propagate them. Hopefully I'm successful. Hopefully I got to be successful in growing them right now. Anyway, this new plant propagation, trying to see if I can grow these plants from transplanting them to see if I can get them to grow to propagate leaves, stems, whatever I need to do to get these plants to make a new one. So, cultivation, here I come. Oh, look at that big old bird. I didn't get it in the camera, but one looked like a crow. Anyway, just sharing my new plants, herbs, succulent, herbs, succulents, and a polka dot plant. I will be back for updates to show how these are doing and if I can get these plants to grow propagation. I'm journaling my gardening data, my balcony gardening data, with these videos that I'm sharing with you guys on YT. See this plant, airplane flying up it. Some of these leaves are curling up. We'll see in a future video what's happening with that, because I don't know right now. I gotta do my trial and error of these plants.